Hello. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Hi Fatima, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Rohit, are you there?
Yes, Kavya, I'm there. I'm just trying to correct one other person also.
Acha, okay, okay.
Yes. Hi, everybody. How are you?
We are good. How are you? How are your meetings going on?
You can start anyway. You can start the classes, Kavya.
Yes. Fatima, you have any doubts regarding yesterday's lecture?
Yeah, actually, I made this sofa, three-seater sofa.
Huh?
I just want to show it to you, but it is showing host disabled participant screen sharing.
Rohit, can you enable that?
Yes. I'm making you co-host, Kavya, and other participant also to share. You want, and also they share the everything password, Kavya, to you. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Participant also can share the just a second the screen. Just a second. Actually, in settings. Yes, I've done. Participant, or you all can share the screen.
Okay.
Everybody can share the screen, and I made the co-host. Kavya, okay.
Can you see, Kavya?
Just a second. Yes, I'm able to see.
Okay, so I made this. Is it right?
Yes, you have done very nicely. It's perfect.
Thank you. But actually, I faced a lot of problems while doing this.
Uh-huh.
First
Like
one was
which problems you were facing?
saying about alignment.
You are not audible.
Hello?
See.
About the alignment, like suppose if I copy this one portion
Huh?
over here,
Yes.
okay, and I want these two edges to be to like in one line.
Matched. Yeah.
So how to do that? Because see, it is coming like this.
Yes, I realized later that you might be facing this problem. So how did you manage for now? Matlab, I can see that it is aligned in one line only.
What I did was I went to the views like from here, right, left, and then matched it.
Adjusted, yes. We are actually supposed to do that only. But today we will learn one topic. So using that now you can AutoCAD na in
Very well.
AutoCAD, we have that alignment ka option. Like we can draw any line. If I have a rectangle, suppose, and if I want to draw a line, so if we on that snap mode on, then we are able to draw a new line from that particular endpoint only, or we get midpoint, or we get uh, similarly we have the everything this in 3D Max as well. We will learn that today.
Okay.
Another doubts you have any another doubts?
Yeah, one more. Actually, while I was copying, I selected this. I'm pressing shift right now. But now when I want to copy it over here, now it is easily happening. But
Mm-hmm.
just doing it, I had to like suppose in the y direction I want to copy.
Uh-huh.
I'm pressing this and I'm doing like this.
Uh-huh.
So if you see, it is pasting. See where?
Yes, because this is perspective view na. If you will work in this thing na, top view, yeah, front elevation, yeah, another views, you will, if you are copying na, so you will get that in perfect direction. Now it's in, this is in perspective na. So here essay, if now how your screen is, you will be able to see ki it is aligned in one direction, but when you try to rotate your object na, you will able to see ki it is not aligned. See, you can see abhi it's so this is because of perspective view only. Once you will start working in another viewport now, you won't face this issue.
So we need to work in which viewport?
it depends on you actually. Like abhi, if you are creating these, so that even if you create in perspective view, that is fine. But when you are copying or when you are trying to align, na, you have to work in front elevation. And that wireframe thing I was telling you that day, you remember?
Yeah.
Yes. If you press F3, press F3 abhi. See, abhi you are getting lines, na? So
Yeah.
into line matching, it would be very simple rather than, aligning a 3D object with another 3D object.
Yeah, but like if I work with this mode on, I can't see anything now. Like it is so confusing.
Then try working in another view. Na? Like, I'll tell you one, another few topics related to yesterday topic only. Then you try those. Then you see if you have any doubts in that.
Okay. And
Yes.
actually, one more doubt I had. You were saying about auto grid, na? Like this you were saying
Yes, yes, yes.
FN, sorry, FNF3. Suppose if I make a box,
Hmm.
then I do auto grid on. So what happens? I forgot actually.
Now come out of this command. Box ka command, you come out of this.
Okay.
Abhi click on box. Abhi try creating a dipole.
People.
Yes. Nahi, nahi, nahi. Try creating on that object only.
On this thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Abhi go this, take this, delete that another teapot, one you created previously. Yes, Abhi, if you see this table ka top and the teapot, if you see in front elevation or any other view, you can see it is already aligned. You
Yeah,
don't
at the
have to,
top of it.
yes, yes. You don't have to personally align it. It will be automatically aligned once you on that auto grid ka option.
So same thing I would have done over here also, na? Like if I make this base and then
Mhm.
put it on karke, if I would have placed this, then it would have been easier for me.
Yes, you can do that also. But this is usually work while creating the new objects. Now you have done copy paste, and you
Yeah.
would scale that object.
Okay.
So, and I will tell you more commands today. So using that, matlab auto grid se ज़्यादा you will find that other options very easy.
Okay.
Any other doubt?
No, that's it.
I will tell you Abhi ki on your screen only you want to share my screen. My 3D Max is working today.
No, I think you can tell me. That is how I can practice also, and you can check also if I'm doing right or wrong.
Okay, okay, okay. So yesterday I was telling you na about scaling ka option. You remember R
Yeah.
was a shortcut, and if you see in toolbar, you remember where is scaling ka option?
Yeah, this one.
Yes, yes. Uh, right click on that. No, no. Just press that with your right click.
With
Keep on.
with
Yes,
my click.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, this is coming.
Nahin, nahin, nahin. Just a minute. How do I tell you? Just click your mouse is there now. Give a right press on that command. So you will get a drop down list over there. Just try pressing that.
This one?
Just what you are doing is you are just clicking it with your right click na. Just
This
hold.
one?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, this is actually left click.
Acha, in my computer it is working with right click, so I thought.
Acha, okay.
So you have these options also. So first one and the second one we work on. So first one is basically non-uniform scaling, the one you created the object here, host ka object, and you were asking if I just want to scale its height, so how would I do that?
Yeah.
So that is uniform scaling. If you want to scale it only from one direction, and if you want to scale it from all directions, we click the second option. Yes. Then you have to. This is uniform scaling, and using this, you can align it from all the directions.
Okay.
Yes. So this you remember this point. There are two, like uniform scaling and non-uniform scaling.
Okay.
Yes. And selection ka also I told you na yesterday.
Yeah, like at the time of saving.
Yeah, not that. That also. But I want to tell you another point also. Just Rohit, he is joining kya? Rohit Shinde, are you able to hear?
Yes, Kavya.
This guy is joining kya? He's there kya? He's not.
Just I have asked Rohit. Yes, you can. I have asked him to join. Let him continue the class.
Acha, okay. So
Okay,
we
let him.
for him or we can continue
You
on.
can discuss. Yes, I have called him today. So let him. He is from Nagpur. Let him continue.
Okay, okay. So Fatima, I was telling you na selection ka. So
Yeah.
here is the option. You can see object paint in your toolbar. Okay, upar you can see there are two dotted box.
Yeah.
Times you see the one your cursor is now window and crossing. In AutoCAD also you remember there are two options, window selection and crossing selection.
Yeah.
You remember that AutoCAD ka?
No, actually.
Acha, okay, I'll tell you. Window crossing mein na what happens, I'll tell you in AutoCAD view point of view also and this point of view also. What happens in AutoCAD na, whenever there are suppose 10 objects on your screen, okay, and if you try selecting the object from upar se na, like try pressing anything on your screen, abhi try to select anything from top, press W. Yes, now abhi on your blank screen also, even if you select any part, how we basically select something, we just drag a mouse na from one point.
One second, I'll just draw something and then
You can do that also. We try to select this, but not basic selection. Like you are clicking the object, na. Don't do that. What we do, like if we consider an example of Word or Excel, what we do is we start dragging it from up and take it till the down.
Okay, like this.
Yes. So this you saw, you were getting a dotted square over there.
Yeah.
Sometimes there might be an issue with your 3D Max that whenever you are selecting 10 objects together, so you will get a circle ka selection. That would be very difficult. So here, there might be some changes done with you or maybe with someone else on your laptop. So object paint के ऊपर जो वो dotted part है ना, you can see that, no, next to it.
This one.
Yes. Just again, give a long left click. Yes, you can see this is circle. These are different.
Yeah.
So you always need to select the first one only.
Okay.
Inka toggle, you can say. And the next, so whenever you are facing, so you are confused like why it is coming circle may if you are selecting 10 objects. So there must be some settings done over here. You can change it to rectangle again.
Okay.
Yes, and next to it, there was a window and crossing. Yes, so this was I was trying to tell you. Suppose there are 10 objects on your screen, okay? And if you are trying to select from upar se na, like how you did previously.
Yeah, like this.
Yes. So now your whole object was coming into your selection cycle, na? This.
Yeah.
Yes. So window selection mein what happens now? Even if you select there are 10 objects, suppose. If you will take that 10 objects into your selection cycle na, so those 10 objects will be selected, else it won't be selected. Window cycle mein what happens na, window mein jitne bhi objects hai na, only those objects are selected. Like even if, what if you do, there are 2 boxes, theek hai, over here. If you try to select one pura, if you try to take one pura box into your picture and another object, adha you are taking na, even if you are taking half object na, selected. Matlab first object would be selected because it is completely into your window selection cycle, but the other object, it won't be selected. So, and this is window selection. And in crossing selection, what happens now? If that is selected from down, abhi you try to down, from down, yes. Yes. This is this thing is done. This is done in AutoCAD ऐसे नीचे से, but here you need to enable this. The object pane के ऊपर there was there ना. Yes, you need to enable this. Now, it is not getting enabled.
How
क्या?
to enable?
Um,
Is there a drop down box here also?
no, just a minute.
It is happening now. I can select it.
Just a minute. Actually, in your 3ds Max, there are few different commands. In mine, there are different commands. ऐसे.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, it is getting enabled in my screen. You try to select something that it is selected na, it is enabled na abhi.
Yeah, I can select it from bottom also.
नहीं अभी try to create one more object next to it.
Like box only?
Any object. Abhi try selecting these 2 objects and try to select from both sides. मतलब ऊपर से भी and नीचे से भी, and try taking one object completely into your frame. Nah. Try to take only one object into a frame and another object take half only. Take half. Yes. Okay. And abhi select the object from downwards. Acha. And disable that again. Abhi try doing that. You saw abhi.
Yeah.
So if you are enabling now, it is window crossing in your this thing. In my 3ds Max, it is reverse actually. So
Okay.
now you disabled it. So once you are enabling, it is your window selection, and once you are disabling it, it is your crossing selection. So even if you select half object now, another one, it will be selected pura.
Okay. Like when I'm enabling it, it won't be selected.
Yes. And if you are disabling it, it will be selected.
Selected. Okay. Got it.
So this you can note down if you want. And I will tell you about. Yesterday I told you na ki format of saving, extension of saving 3ds Max.
Yeah.
Which is .max file only. So
Yeah.
in further we will be doing rendering and all now when you place cameras and everything. And you're done with your rendering ka thing and you want to save a picture now. So you, even for that, for saving a picture, you have different file or formats. Like if we download any image from internet also, what we have JPG ka option also, PNG ka option, JPG, GIF,
Yeah.
many extensions we have. Similarly, we have those extensions in this also. So we will be studying mostly, but what we do is we save our render in JPG or PNG only, because it gives you, even if we see on internet, most of the images are in JPG format or PNG, because that is very good format, extension format over there.
Okay.
So this thing you understood very well.
Yeah.
Abhi we will learn about cloning the objects. Like Abhi, if you click on sofa, see, you can see you have created a sofa. Okay.
Okay.
Every object is being selected differently.
Shall I select the entire sofa?
Sorry.
Shall I select the entire sofa?
You can select it entirely, but every time you won't keep on selecting na entire sofa. What we require, even if we click on anywhere on sofa, we want our object should be selected properly na.
Yeah.
So this what we can do is we have group ka option, wherein if we have created some model using different sub models, जैसे अभी you have created many objects and created a single three-seater sofa from it. So what you want, you will have to group it, because there is a chance that if you are working in very large files now, if
Yeah.
group your models like ready model, this three-seater sofa is now completed and it is ready. Okay, so there might be a chance if you don't group it, uh, there might be a chance कि if you are moving some another object and you know इसमें से कोई object has been moved somewhere else. So
Yeah.
we will do is we will club all the object is ready. So on group on your toolbar you can see group command.
Yeah.
This is click on group. You have selected entire. Click OK. Abhi you can rename it also. You can name it also. Abhi name it sofa. Yes.
Okay.
Just a second. Clicking on OK, you can see on your left hand side the objects have been selected.
Yeah.
अभी click OK. Abhi you can see you got a hierarchy like sofa
Yeah.
and you can see you have different objects in your group. So even if you are creating 10 groups, you will be able to see the group name and you can even see the hierarchy in that, like which all objects have been used in this.
Okay.
So this is grouping option. Now, if you want to ungroup anything, and you don't want to group this thing, so what you can do is select. Abhi you click anywhere on sofa. You can see abhi it is one single object.
Yeah.
So now, if you want, like you have done some mistake and you want to redo it, so what we do is we go and what we do is we ungroup it. We can ungroup it. Go to group. You can see ungroup niche. Yes.
Yeah.
Group it. Obviously, if in AutoCAD, you know na how it's join and what is that? Explode and join.
Yeah.
Similarly, we have group and ungroup over here.
But in AutoCAD, we have one option also. We can edit the block.
Yes, I will tell you that also.
Okay.
We try grouping it again. Abhi, every time it's not possible na, to ungroup it. So like how you told, we have option in AutoCAD like block edit option. Similarly, we have maybe option we have. Go to group, open, click on open.
This
Open.
one?
Now you can see your object is open. Now what is the difference? Like in block editor also what we do is we can't add any other object into it, but we can modify the object that is already into our block. Similarly,
Yeah.
we can edit these blocks, whatever objects you have created now, we
Yeah.
can edit these objects, but you can't, you know, add another, like if you want to create this sofa only into L-shaped sofa, so in that case you have to ungroup it and then you have to, you know, group it again. But abhi if you want to resize this sofa, so you can again and again group ungrouping, group ungrouping, you can edit this. You can just open it and you can scale it. Abhi scale anything. Abhi, okay. Now you can see the pink lines over there.
Yeah.
Click on it or press W.
I clicked.
Abhi, you can see the pink lines have been converted into white one.
Yeah.
Now go to group, close. So this is like you have made any changes, opening the block and you have done the changes. So in block editor, in AutoCAD, we have a block editor option, but what we have to just click on save and it's done. Here you have to open the block and you have to close it and you are done. Abhi, you can control Z8 if you want to redo this.
Actually, you told I need to select this pink line. So it is always necessary to select the pink line,
Yes.
or I can directly go to group and close it.
See, if you go on group, Abhi.
Once again, I've made no changes.
Let it be na. You were asking na if you abhi see click on close. Acha, it's done because in my 3ds Max it doesn't work. I have a older version, so might be it's your 2020 ka version. It's working. Abhi. So
Okay.
mostly what we in my 3ds Max we click on ping on that pink line and we just go and close it from there. You can even do one thing. This is may open this group again.
Hmm.
Open it. If you want to delete this group now, but you don't want to delete the objects, just you want to delete the group.
Okay.
Grouping, if you don't wish to do ungrouping, ungrouping may what happens now, group is there, but it is just you just select these pink lines. Any pink line, yes. Now press delete on your keyboard. Yes, and click Abhi. And even this is, ungrouping your object. So you don't have
Okay.
to and again go here, ungroup it, and then it's done. You can directly delete that group also.
Okay.
Yes. Now we will learn one more thing. Go in group. You can see attach and detach ka option, but it is disabled.
Yeah.
Yeah, this works only when you are working in a group. So again, you have to create this group or create ऊपर के दो objects का group. Do anything, whatever you wish. Now go on group.
Okay.
Press anywhere on your screen. Abhi click on object. Yes, abhi go on group. Why you are in getting any options for attach and detach over here? Just check in assembly what all. अच्छा ओके नहीं close this. Actually we have option for attaching and detaching ka option also in this group, like how you were asking na pehle, if I want to add any object into my group how would I do that. So
Okay.
we have option also for that. I'll share you my screen. Yeah,
Yeah.
you stop sharing your screen then I'll start. Acha, you don't okay ठीक है. You are able to see my screen, yeah?
Yeah.
हाँ. Abhi you can see I have created 2 objects.
Yeah.
The objects are there. I haven't created a group. You saw previously, just a second. Wait, I'll delete this and I'll tell you. You can see axes are there, XYZ axis, but
Yeah.
disable. So you were asking now on that day, I guess, that it is not getting dragged. So in this case, even if your object is selected, but if you want to perform any operation, see, if I do anything now, if I was trying to do anything, it wasn't working until and unless I don't press W. So if you have to perform any operation now, like copy kaya moving or something else, you have to press W for it. Your axis will be there, but those will be disabled.
Okay.
Abhi, I am trying to create a group. I have created few shortcuts for grouping, ungrouping, closing, and opening the group. I'll tell you that also. But Abhi, if you want, I am creating from here. See, I have created a group. Okay.
Okay.
Abhi, अरे why am I not getting the option? See, I'm getting attached option over here
Okay.
under my group panel only. So if I click on attach, now what I want to do is, this is single object and this is single object which have 2 objects. Okay.
Okay.
If I want to clone this single object into this group, what I'll do is this is group na, this is already group. So I want this object to be placed into this group. So what I'll do is I'll click this object, the one I want to perform my operation.
Okay.
This, I'll click on attach. Okay. And then now I want where I want my object to be get attached here. So you saw
Yeah.
everything is in group.
Okay.
And abhi, if I want, if I'm moving this now, my anything, if you are moving anything in your group now, that group ka boundary is getting enlarged. How wherever you are moving your objects now, it is getting enlarged.
Okay.
So I'll close this. Abhi, for detaching also, what is the case? Now I want to detach this. I don't want this object to be in my group. Okay, I have created this extra object. Now what I'll do is I will open this group again.
Okay.
And I'll go to group and I will click on detach because I want this object to be out from my group. So I'll click on detach. So Abhi, only these 2 are into my
Good.
group. This is another different object only. You understood?
Yeah.
So this is attaching and detaching option.
So if I want to attach this one into like the bigger block into the 2 smaller blocks, so I make that single block also a group.
I didn't understood. You can, if you want, Abhi, you understood this, na? If
Yeah.
you stop sharing my screen, you tell me on your screen.
Okay. I'll just...
I guess my screen is disabled only. No.
Yeah. Can you see?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I'm saying that if I am making this is a group, right? So if I want to attach this one,
Smaller one, yes.
so I need to make this a group or just like that also I can.
Single object. Before single object, we don't need to make it a group, na?
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
But what when we create a group when we have multiple objects, abhi here the smaller one, the one you created abhi, the object,
Yeah.
that is your single object. So you don't need to group it, na? You just click on that smaller object. You created that also in group, kya?
No, I attached it.
Acha, you attached it.
Yeah,
Huh?
I was able to do it.
Okay. And abhi, if you want to detach it again, you need to open this group.
Selected and detached.
Yes. So it is out from your group. So this can be worked when you have created any model and say you have created a wardrobe and sliding wardrobe, and next to it you have created one shutter wardrobe also. So if you want to delete that shutter wardrobe, so you can do this. You can detach it from group, or you can even delete it, whatever you want.
Okay.
It was clear, Abhi?
Yeah.
Okay, Abhi. We will learn about snaps. Like I told you now in AutoCAD how we have snapping option.
Yeah.
But snap option, you remember AutoCAD?
Yeah, I remember.
Acha. So in that also you remember we have when we enable a snap mode, we have endpoint, we have vertex, midpoint, center. If we are creating a circle, we have center as well. Similarly here, if you are facing this thing while creating the sofa, you are facing issues while aligning it. What we can
Yeah.
do is we can align it using a snap. You can see in your toolbar next to your angular mode. Angular, you remember where is angular?
Yeah. This one, na?
Huh?
This is a angle snap.
Yes. Next to it, it's written 3. Yes. Just give a long press. There is a drop down list over there. See, now you have 2D, 2.5 and 3.
Yeah.
So we have 3 snaps over here. So we mostly work in 2.5 snap only. Why? I will tell you that. If you are and just right click it. You can see you have everything.
2.5D, na? I've selected 2D.
Let it be na. I'll tell you about this pele.
Okay.
You can see you have grid points, pivot, perpendicular, vertex, edge, face. Many options you have. You have endpoint, midpoint option also. So whatever you want, it's on you. What all you want to enable it for when you are working in your 3D Max, 3ds Max. Okay, so these in AutoCAD also you remember we even if we on the toggle of snap mode, but what we have to do, we have a drop down list and we have to enable everything like what I want my center to be displayed, endpoint to be displayed. In this also you have similar things. So Abhi close this. Abhi, you can enable this from here also, or there is a shortcut. S is the shortcut for enabling and disabling.
Okay.
Abhi, this 2D this 2D works when it's worked when you are creating in this 3ds Max also. Go to this plus ka symbol is there on your right side. Create.
Yeah.
Niche you see there is circle. Next to circle, go to next to circle. Yes. See, you have here, you have 2D objects also. These we will be learning tomorrow. So here there are 2D objects, like try creating anything. Just try creating anything. I'll tell you everything is tomorrow, but just try a single object. See, you saw you are not getting solid object. You are just getting how we create our object into 2D na.
Yeah.
You are getting that. So this two 2D ka snap, the one go to drop down list, Press escape first to come out from the circle command. Just click on, just go to D. This is used when for 2D, whenever we create 2D option. What we have only two axes, na? X,
Yeah.
or Y, Z, or XZ. We have only two axes. When we work in 3D, we have this three yes axis. So this 2D ka snap is basically used when you are working, when you are creating anything 2D ka object you are creating na, तभी use this option. तभी this 2D का snap is work.
Okay.
I'll tell you this is the explanation tomorrow, like how you will work this. I am just telling you like when we are supposed to use 2D, 2.5 or 3D का snap. Okay. Now 2.5, go to that drop down list.
Yeah.
Yes. 2.5D and 3D are basically used for creating, for working in 3D objects only. Matlab, even if you enable this na to 2D ka, you will be able to work. But abhi if you can see that this thing, the arrow you are getting as a cross man box on it.
Yeah.
This, if you are placing this on your object na, any 2D on your 3D object, it will show you only if you are selecting endpoint na, where I told you toggles are there for endpoint and this thing. If you have enabled all those now, so this what it will do, it will just point to your two axis. It won't give you vertical align ka option. Matlab if you see, go in front elevation, press F. Just drag any turn off that snap option for now. Press S again. Yes. Now what you did, you again enable that snap option. Now take this any single object, take it little far from your sofa. Now if you see now, just right click on your snap. Yes. Clear all, click on clear all. Click on grid points, pivot, perpendicular, endpoint, midpoint, and click on vertex also. Yes. So now if you go on 2D, yes. If you take your cursor to the end points, ungroup it, just ungroup this. Delete this group. Click on open and delete it, or directly ungroup it. Yes. Now if you try create, take a line, take a line tool. If you click on it, take it down. Don't click it, just take your cursor down. Sorry? नहीं. Press escape. Wait, I'll tell you. This thing is there na 2D. See, this is your rectangle, the one which is selected. You have 4 points. For now, disable that snap ka. Press S. If you see this smaller rectangle that is already selected, what you have is you have 4 points, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in whatever direction you are going. So now this 2D ka option works when we are working in 2D this thing na, 2D object types you are working. So what you will get, the cursor you are getting it when you are turning on your snap mode.
Yeah.
Yellow cursor, it will give you it will point you only for two axes, any two axes. It won't point you for, it won't display on third axis. Now, if you click on 3D now, go 3D, click on 3D.
Yeah.
Yes, now this and 2.5 snap is basically used for this thing, 3D models. But what happens now, this 3D ka jo snap is there na, it in using this, it is very difficult to create anything in front elevation. Now, if I want to create a line,
Or from this point.
yes. Just press escape. Press Alt W on your screen. Now work in front elevation, but you are able to see 4 viewports.
Yeah.
So whatever you do now, it will reflect in your other viewports also. Now zoom that front elevation ka section. Create a line. Drag it down and point it to that another end. Yes. Create drag it to your left hand side. Just follow that path. Yes, close spline. Now click on perspective. No, press escape again. First press escape. हाँ, अभी press S for disable mode का option. Zoom it. Not this sofa ka section, the line you were creating. Just try to rotate it. मतलब try to drag, move your model. You didn't create it क्या? Line.
Actually, I created on the same rectangle. I created that.
अच्छा, press F3. Press F3 now.
Yeah, done.
Zoom it. And press F3 in front elevation also. Click it. Click on your rectangle, smaller rectangle. Just drag it upwards. Acha. See, you have created. Okay. But what you were trying, matlab this 3D option is there now. When you were creating anything, when we use this snap, when you want to create something, the one you were creating line na, what you wanted to do, you wanted to create a line, but you want, Abhi, if you will draw this line now without snap, try drawing again again on that same path. You try drawing a line.
Without snap?
Yes.
That's done.
You can see in your perspective where you were trying to create it. You can see the first object also with snap wala thing in your perspective. Mein. Yes. That one. You saw? Actually, it should create the one where you created already pehle with using snap. But without snap, it is not creating on your proper angle. Now if you try to rotate this now, your second line ka option,
Yeah.
perspective mein, if you try to move it, just move it using your mouse. No, not this one. The one you, not that also. The another which you created now, na.
That I need to first move from the right hand side.
No. See, just a second. Zoom out. You can see the,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes. You
So
can
what should I do with this?
click on that. Just try to rotate it with your mouse. Don't rotate it. Just move it like how we view our 3D model na,
Yeah,
with Alt and yes. You see, it is not proper also, and it is not aligned in a place where it should be aligned. Like you saw, first object you were creating with snap toggle, it was placed properly on your object. But this one, without using snap, you are creating in front elevation. Okay, though
yeah.
you are following the path with this is, I'm telling you, without toggle का thing. Okay, when
Okay.
creating in front elevation without using snap toggle का option, so what you are feeling, nah, I am creating it properly, because in elevation though you can see na, it is properly aligned in one direction. Even if you see now, you can see it is, you can see a new rectangle on the 3D object only, you can see.
Yeah.
Yes, but if you see this thing na perspective mein, so it won't be in a place. So for this we used 3D snap toggle. But many a times when we create anything using 3D snap na, there is a problem many times. Abhi it was not, it worked very well in your case, but many times when you will work on larger files, na, it might create an issue. Like now how it was it created now without snap toggle, it will
Yeah.
object that in that way only. So we prefer using 2.5 snap. That is very, click on 2.5 snap. Just a minute. You clicked on 2.5, yes. So
Yeah.
we are using this one whenever, if you want, abhi if you were creating sofa na, now do one thing, go on, click on front elevation ka section, and remember one thing, whenever you are working na, normally not using snap toggle,
Okay.
your snap toggle is off, because it creates, you can see it is fluctuating your screen again and again.
Yeah.
So if whenever you require, enable that time only, otherwise keep it disabled.
Okay.
Yes. Now go and click on front elevation, click on Alt W. Now you have 3 rectangles over here. Okay. Now
Yeah.
what we will do is we will these all 2 rectangles you can see on your right side.
Yeah.
Yes. For now, disable that snap toggle. Press S. Now click on this.
This.
Per one up. ठीक है. Take smaller one abhi if you want. Just click. Now what we will do is we will align this thing. मतलब इसका point with this bigger point. You understood what I am trying?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, so what you will do is, now you will, on your snap command, Yes, now take that vertex, which, yes, and now try to meet it here. Yes. Now, similarly, do that also. Upper one with that upper end
This
point.
one?
Yes, yes, yes. You can see, Abhi, you don't faced any issue while placing. Matlab, for previously what you were doing while creating a sofa, you might be again and again zooming it that it is properly aligned or not. So
Yeah.
you want to align it properly now, you can use snap toggle. And this 2.5 snap is basically also used if you want to create, you have created a apartment. Okay. If you want to place a flooring,
Okay.
do is we have to place a flooring. For that we will what we will do is we will create a line, we will create a floor. But for floor also, you don't have anything like, abhi if you see any apartment car design that is not proper rectangular na, or proper square, we have columns also, we have beams
Yeah.
also. Now, for now you just disable your screen. I'll share my screen.
Okay.
You disabled your screen, kya?
Yeah, yeah, disabled.
Okay. You can see my screen.
Yeah.
You can see I have created a random object, let's say, using line command.
Yeah.
Now, if you see any apartment also, consider any apartment ka design. When you work in AutoCAD, you might have worked with floor plans in AutoCAD.
Yeah.
You can see, yes, is it proper rectangular or is it proper this thing
Mm.
square? Nahi na, you have columns and everything. So abhi if you see, I have so this created random design only, but we have this thing na aise pura up and down. You can see my cursor, I'm moving.
Yeah, yeah.
We have normally we have our floors like this only. We have our apartment ka floor design like this only. So when
Yeah.
you want to create this, um, just a second. You and saw this. I clicked on start new shape.
Yeah.
This is like uh, it won't. It will allow if you disable it. Just a second. If you have disabled it now,
Yeah.
will do if I have created anything. If I have created a rectangle and I have disabled it. So if I try creating circle also na, it will take rectangle only. So always, matlab this is not for the 3D objects that you are creating. I'll tell you iska tomorrow, 2D ka properly tomorrow. But
Okay.
now I was working, so I thought I should tell you. So we should always enable it. So what it will do, it will take a new object. If you click on text or something, so it will allow you to take a new object.
Okay.
Yes. So now this is your floor plan. Okay. So in this, what happens? I want to create a floor and a ceiling. I have already created a walls for it. I want to create a ceiling and a floor for it. So what I
Okay.
do is, in this case, 2.5 snap is very good. You when you on it, because see, because I have to draw a floor, in a zigzag way. I don't have to draw a straight line or a horizontal line. I don't want to do that. I want to draw a zigzag floor plan as my walls are going. So in this case, I will always use the snap tool. Uh, you, this is very convenient way, if you want to align your objects. So
Okay.
use your snap tool.
Okay.
You understood the snap tool ka option?
Yeah.
You try today creating a sofa using this snap tool ka option. See it, the way you will create it using snap option now, that would be created very fast rather than zooming it and aligning your object.
Yeah. But actually, in the sofa, there is chamfered, no? Chamfered ends, no?
Yes, but you can try meeting that. For now, you will face a little issue. But what you can do is that chamfer is there now. You can
Yeah.
try, uh, taking a single point and try to take a end point. मतलब we are getting. I'll tell you one thing. I don't know why my object is getting disappeared. I don't know what is the issue with this. I'm not getting my chamfer edges over here. But what you can do is, I'll tell you,
Maybe your radius is 0. Yeah, fill it with 0, that's why.
could be. Okay. Now, uh, now you can see my chamfer is there. So what I can do is, if I'm taking this in front elevation, okay, this is your end point, this one. You can
Yeah.
select it. So you can try meeting these points with the other. You try meeting the end points rather than considering this point.
Okay.
Try snapping out with this one. So it will be aligned in a proper direction.
Okay.
Yes, because usually when we work with wardrobes ka designs, what we
Yeah.
wardrobe ka shutter is always little chamfered. Now this is very this thing ka radius is very large.
Yeah.
So what we do is uh, yeah, this thing when we create a wardrobe na, then what we do is we always keep point 2 ka chamfer. You can see if you even see in your room na, if you notice wardrobe shutter of only shutter, not the wardrobe thing, only shutter of the wardrobe is always chamfered.
Yeah.
Yes. So in this on that cases also now what we do is if I have a shutter wardrobe, then there are 4 shutters. If there is a 6 feet ka wardrobe, okay, then
Yeah.
if we create 4 shutters, so we try meeting these end points, this thing. We try meeting all the 4 shutters ka end points with each other, and then it is done properly.
Okay.
So you try creating using this, you won't face any issue.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was telling you one more thing, na. If you want, you can create shortcuts also, like again and again going over here, group may and grouping may, close may. What you can do is go to customize over here,
Okay.
customize user interface.
Okay.
It's getting open. Just a minute. Now you can see hotkey over here and assign to.
Yeah.
Now I have already created shortcut. Now like Snapka shortcut is already inbuilt. S is the shortcut. For
Yeah.
blur also, angle snap toggle also shortcut is inbuilt A. So
Okay.
this for grouping, ungrouping, we don't have any shortcuts. So whatever you want now, you
Yeah.
get shortcuts for this. Like Control G, I have created group for creating a group. So, you can see I have already assigned it to group. So
Yeah.
if you haven't created Navi, if you want to create, so what you can do is press right control Z over here and try searching group option over here. You can see I'm dragging those options.
Yeah. I can only keep G also, na?
Whatever you want. Like I have created this thing. अच्छा group में. See, group I have created for this thing. Control Z. You can see it is already assigned, so you can see over here.
Yeah.
Whenever you are this thing creating any shortcuts, just give a shortcut key over here and assign it to whatever you want. I have created a shortcut for group and for group close and for group open.
Okay.
So O I have kept for group opening, and close for closing a group I have created I.
Hi.
There are other modifiers also I have created shortcuts. So I'll tell you that later on tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow.
Okay.
So for now, everything was clear to you.
Yeah. I just have one doubt.
Mhm.
You were talking about cloning.
Yes,
So cloning and grouping is same?
yes.
Okay.
You can. I'll tell you one more thing. I forgot to tell you. Just a minute. If I have created this thing, okay. Now this you can see I have kept my arrow mirror.
Yeah.
Click on it. How in this also you remember we have in AutoCAD we have mirror option.
Yeah.
This similarly we have this is maybe we have option for mirroring any object. If you want if you are creating any object, okay, and if you want this object to be mirrored from another axis, you have here axis ka this thing. See,
Yeah.
the object is already in x axis. If I click on, see, you can see
Yeah.
it was reflecting. So you can mirror it in on a single object also, or what you can do is if I'm creating copy of it, okay.
Okay.
Now if I want to mirror this, I can do even that also. You can see the changes are getting reflected.
Yeah.
So this is mirror ka option.
Okay.
Yes, and there are many other this thing aligning ka options also. I'll tell you that tomorrow when we will work with these 2D objects. Na, for
Yeah.
we might work with modifier. You can see modifier list over here on right hand side.
Yeah.
If there is a drop down list, we have different modifiers over here. If I want to specify any operation on this, now if I want to modify any object, so I can modify from here on also. So there are many modifiers, but we will learn basic modifiers which are always required when we create anything.
Okay.
So I'll tell you this tomorrow.
Okay.
For today, if you want, you can even try creating another objects.
Like?
You can create a waiting room. You remember I told you यहाँ पे
Yeah.
extended
You have to see it.
we have CX का thing.
Yeah.
Remember I told you this LEXT and CEXT are used for creating walls.
Yeah.
So you can create C wall, keep
Okay.
side open, and then what you can do is you can place a sofa and a rectangular reception table over there.
Okay.
Yes. Or you can create a dining table using different objects, different table stands you can use.
Yeah.
You try creating.
While I'm creating using the CX walls, then for floor I need to select plane.
Sorry.
I need a floor, no?
Uh-huh.
For floor I will select plane. Like
I will tell you those because plane comes under this thing only, na 2D option. You have plane in this.
I guess we have plane in the normal.
Standard, ha. You can create using plane also, and if you are creating a ceiling, you can even create it using a plane, or you can create it using box also. Because if you create a ceiling or if you create a this thing flooring, there is always a length, width, and height. Like if you are creating a floor, so you have to give 0.2 ka this thing height over there. Yes. So you can create any way if you want. Plain, if you will create, see if it won't give you height. It will just give you length and width. So what you can do is if you are creating now ceiling and flooring, try creating using box.
Okay.
You type few objects because the more objects you will try creating now, the more idea you will get, like how to use snap toggle, how to use this thing, how to perform different operations.
Okay. Actually, if I want to create a chair,
Hmm.
what shape I can use? Like suppose there's a circular chair.
Hmm.
So what can I use for that?
For if you are creating a simple chair, not a designer chair, what you can do is to create. You have circle. Yeah. Acha, we don't have this thing na circle ka. So for now you can try. No, this will not give you. This if we create na chair circular seating, what we do is we always create it into 2D because there are few objects which we don't have in 3D. So we always have to create 2D object and then convert to 3D. So what you can do is if for now if you want to practice the chair now, what you can do is create a simple square wala chair, like square square sitting.
Okay.
Yes, and try giving stands and a backrest over there.
Okay.
And once we will learn modifiers now tomorrow, then you will be able to bend, twist any of your object also. So you can in fact try many other objects using those modifiers.
Okay.
So for now, you try just creating basic objects using the standard primitives and extended primitives, and rather than creating a new object again and again, try this thing, copy and paste option if you can do, or try creating a mirror, create an object using mirror also.
Okay.
Hmm. You have any other doubts?
No, that's it.
Okay. Rohit, are you there?
Yes, Kavya, I'm here. I just now you can lead the group. Okay, I'm just here to handle if any issues there. Rohit is there. He just I have invited to attend. So he will be confirming the admission today itself. Okay, then he'll
Okay.
continue.
Then
So
from tomorrow again we have to take the previous topic so we can continue further.
we'll see. Let Rohit confirm the admissions. I have
Okay.
not at least I have not yet got a confirmation
Okay.
from him. So
Yes.
let's confirm. Then I'll suggest like whatever his expectation. Then we can continue it a little bit ahead or after. Okay.
Okay.
But we'll do it. Don't worry. And from the Monday onwards, you're doing full-fledged class going on. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
And so you take this class Monday to Friday. Keep Saturday, Sunday off for some workshop and some seminar purpose, which we generally conduct.
Mhm.
Okay. So just take class from Monday to Friday only, 5 days a week. Okay.
Okay.
And on okay, then see you everyone tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Chalo, thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Fatima, we'll end up for today. You have any doubts, just let me know tomorrow.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.